Okay, Janviere. So this is email I sent. This is email you said video not play. So click video play. Okay, so let's in this document, okay, download, open. We have this link, okay, this link. So copy, okay, so I will enter as you. Let me do this first. Okay, so Janviere. So to start work, just like in this document, okay, we click modules. Modules. Learning path. Click. Module. Units. Progress. Score. Progress. Score. Okay. Start. "11 pages. Go through each page. Read. Complete exercise. Finished to, you finish all 11. When finished 11, click. Page. Refresh. Progress. Score. Okay. If you need more help, let me know, please.